lovelies, I wanted to give you an update on how our suitcases fared while we were going from Alaska to Puerto Rico. So we ended up checking all three of these bags. If you watched the review that I did on the Steve Madden suitcases from the Global Collection, which you'll find at the top right of your screen or in the description box below, I did tell you that we were going to take everything from the collection, but we ended up leaving the satchel at home. So this is the carry-on size. We checked this one in, and everything looks good. I don't remember seeing too many scratches on it, so everything looks actually really good on this suitcase. Was really happy of how it did. And then for the medium size, there's just a little scuff here, which isn't too bad. And I was more worried about the back of the suitcase and just a little mark here. And then a little bit of dirt here, but everything looks like you can take it off very easily and quickly, actually. So excited about that as well. And for the larger suitcase, this one got the dirtiest. So you can see on the back here, it has a couple lines, but that actually didn't happen at the airport, which is funny enough. So these ones down here happen at the airport, but all in all, these suitcases did really good going from Alaska all the way to Puerto Rico, so we're excited to start our cruise tomorrow. We're staying in the Marriott, and I'll have a room tour and a little bit about this hotel for you later. So, bye lovely!